Let's work on dynamics this week, which of course to the right it says that they determine how loud you play. So we have this word, pianissimo. Looks like piano with issimo at the end of it, which means very soft, okay? So we're going to write very soft. And it looks in music like a double P that you see to the right. So here's your symbol. Sometimes you need to know that this means pianissimo. Sometimes I'll write it all out, but most of the time you're going to see it like this. And these dynamics are going to appear under your measures, even if you play a low tuba part. Very soft. Okay? Now, piano means soft. Issimo is a way to say very. Okay? And we can do that when we get down to fortissimo at the bottom as well. So the next one, I just told you what it means. We're going to write soft here. Piano is Italian, and it means soft. And we know that because we see the letter P, the italicized letter P, underneath the measure. Mezzo piano means medium. So mezzo means medium. Piano means soft. Signified by MP. Mezzo forte means medium. Forte means loud. And of course, forte were to appear by itself would be loud. And you guessed it, this is going to be issimo, very, fortissimo. So forte, fortissimo, very loud. And once again, I'm going to review that with you. Pianissimo, double P, very soft. Single P, piano, soft. Mezzo piano, signified by MP, italicized, medium soft. MF, medium loud. Getting louder, forte means loud, and double F means very loud. So softest to loudest. There you go. These are some basic ones. Could we have 3 Ps, 4 Ps? Of course we could. Could we have 3 or 4 Fs? Yes, we could. But these are our basic ones that you're going to find. Anything bigger than that would mean even louder or even softer. Down here at the bottom, we have 2 modifiers of dynamics. So crescendo and decrescendo. So we see our symbol to the right. Looks like a big old alligator mouth. And an alligator mouth facing to the left, an alligator mouth facing to the right. A crescendo means to gradually play louder. So then a decrescendo, de, means to gradually play softer. Okay, now to the right, we're going to use, I'm going to use purple here. I want you to write this again, LU, for both of these. They're modifiers, so who should the band watch when you see a modifier? That's right, the conductor. So LU means to look up. If you're playing by yourself, then obviously you don't need to do that unless you're with an accompanist. One other thing I want to say about a crescendo and a decrescendo, since I'm constantly correcting them. In performance, a crescendo that looks like this, and this can be under 2 measures, 4 measures, 8 measures, 1 measure, half a measure. In actuality, it sounds like this. That means you stay soft for most of it, and at the very end, you're going to get louder. So it really should sound like a skateboard ramp, where it's going to cruise up suddenly at the very end. In the case of a decrescendo, we're essentially going to do the same thing. But overall, we need to watch the conductor. And he or she will signify how much, usually with the left hand that they're conducting, they tend to give you dynamics. So as the hand goes down, that means to bring it down. If the hand stays there, that means to hold it. And if it raises, that means to bring it back up, etc. So in other words, you need to communicate as a band or as a class with your conductor.